According to our Chilliz cost expectation 2023, the token is supposed to have a most extreme cost of $1.05, with a base cost of 10 cents. Chilliz is supposed to arrive at the most extreme value level of 42 cents, as per our CHZ cost forecast 2025. In light of our Chilliz coin cost expectation 2030, the normal cost of CHZ coin may be around 89 cents toward the finish of 2030. Right now, the Chilliz coin cost is exchanging around 10 cents, which is practically 4.6% down from the last week and 1% down from most recent 24 hours. Regardless of the negative opinion, Chilliz crypto has figured out how to hold its cost level above $0.099, starting from the start of 2023. This mirrors the likelihood that the Chilliz coin cost might go up and could raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. In the event that you are searching for a Chilliz gauge, our top-to-bottom examination means to respond to your inquiries like, is Chilliz worth purchasing? Could Chilliz at any point reach $10? Before we start with point-by-point Chilliz cost expectation, we should plunge into the coin's specialized examination. Chilliz specialized examination. Chilliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In January 2020, it saw the most exorbitant cost heightening to $0.009. However, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the mark of $0.004 because of the pandemic effect. The Chilliz coin cost spike that occurred in 2020 is connected to the declaration made by the Chilliz venture to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chilliz's cost arrived at a lower $0.010, and till January 2021, it just showed a peripheral recuperation. Be that as it may, the exhibition of Chilliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers, as the value shot to a degree of $0.05353 by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of WOC 2021, the cost of Chilliz has reflected huge development, denoting another untouched high at the $0.8915 mark. In any case, from that point onward, the token confronted a slight remedy. However, later in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In 2022, the CHZ token cost exchanged a reach somewhere in the range of 29 cents and $0.093 with a negative tension. In any case, in the wake of hitting $0.1 the last December, Chilliz has denoted a moderate recuperation, and presently, it exchanges around $0.119. From the start of 2023, Chilliz coin cost has figured out how to remain above $0.099. At present, it confronted areas of strength for an of $0.099, while a solid opposition of 11 cents. We demand you do your own examination proposing projected most extreme cost, theorized value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for CHZ cost expectation. At the hour of compassing this specialized investigation and Chilliz crypto cost forecast, the cost of the CHZ token was 10 cents, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of CHZ is $26,652,997, and the market cap of Chilliz was $703,195,308, with a flowing stockpile of 7,647,158 CHZ. Chilliz value expectation 2023. As of late, Chilliz crossed the 17 cents mark in February, interestingly starting from the start of 2023. As per our CHZ cost expectation for 2023, Chilliz is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year is over, Chilliz is anticipated to have a base value level of 10 cents. What's more, the CHZ cost is equipped for having a typical value level of 18 cents. Chilliz crypto value expectation 2024 CHZ forecast for 2024 predicts that the greatest cost and least cost to be 34 cents and 24 cents separately. The most probable Chilliz cost will be consistent at around 29 cents. In view of our Chilliz crypto value prediction. Chilliz value expectation 2025 as per CHZ cost forecast 2025 in a drawn-out situation. The cost of Chilliz is set to get a move on with other digital currencies to plainly show up at least cost of 29 cents. and a greatest cost of 42 cents. Inside a couple of days of its entering 2025, CHZ conjecture depicts a stunning idealism anticipated for the CHZ cost, chiefly because of its reliable exhibition throughout the long term. Chiliz coin value expectation 2026, violating all limits more than 2026, would doubtlessly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chiliz forecast, supported by hearty shrewd agreements, the greatest value level of CHZ crypto will be around 51 cents in 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around 35 cents and 43 cents, respectively. Chiliz expectation 2027, the street ahead is loaded with pedals, according to the CHZ cost estimate, gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all hindrances scaling point of the greatest cost of 62 cents. In examination, the base and normal costs might be 43 cents and 53 cents, respectively. CHZ value expectation 2028 out of 2028, the CHZ token will exchange at a limit of 74 cents with a base cost of 51 cents. Simultaneously, our Chiliz cost expectation demonstrates that the symbolic will have a typical cost of around 62 cents all year long. Chiliz conjecture 2029, thinking about there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital money market. Chiliz crypto cost expectation expects the cost is good to go to certify serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. Chiliz's cost may effortlessly cross a greatest cost of 82 cents, as per our CHZ coin cost forecast, 2029. Chiliz value expectation 2030, in light of our CHZ cost forecast 2030. The normal cost is supposed to be around 89 cents, with a possible low of 73 cents and a likely high of $1.05. The Chiliz cost vacillations in the crypto market are not supposed to be extremely unstable or have high risk. As per the Chiliz value expectation and specialized examination, in 2023, the cost of Chiliz is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of 13 cents. The CHZ cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of 14 cents, with the typical benefit of 13 cents. According to our Chiliz cost expectation, in 2023, the cost of CHZ coin is supposed to reach at any rate value level of $0.096. The CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme worth of 11 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 11 cents. A long haul increment isn't normal in light of wallet financial backer Chiliz conjecture. The CHZ cost expectation during the current year is $0.00959. CHZ can be a high-risk one-year speculation choice, as your ongoing venture might be downgraded in the future. Chiliz, the group of followers, another fan-following variable arising on this scene of the Chiliz network, is the local token CHZ, which empowers fans to trade Chiliz tokenized casting a ballot rights utilizing fan tokens. The token likewise